Hello everyone, good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, bro.
Hello Bro Fajar,
Morning.
hello Sis Baby, hello Mrs. Nov, Sis Yanni, and Sis Dian, all of you guys here. Welcome back to our class again. Okay, we meet again finally guys in the new class here this morning. That's really great to meet you again. Okay. So guys, well everyone, sambil nunggu teman-teman yang lain nih, kita buka dulu kelasnya ya. Okay. And all right, let's get started. And by the way, guys, teman-teman masih ingat kan? So, this is like our motto kelas kita, password kelas kita. Let's say it together, everyone. So, guys, good morning. Welcome back to our class again with speaking partner.
We are the best partner.
partner. All right, what's password, guys?
Smile.
Thank you so much, everyone. That's really nice. You still remember our motor class, our password class is really great. Okay. Okay, so you guys, today is the first day in this class, in this period, in this level basic 2. So in the beginning of our class, I will tell you about the rules, the information about the class, okay, and the authors. Let's get started, everyone. Here we go. Look at this, guys. Today is the first day. In this level, we will have a new topic, new goals. Okay. And because today our this level is still basic, so we have paused basic one, our class previously, and we have the new class is basic two. Okay. And one masih basic, yeah. Hello, Sis Yanti. Good morning. Okay. Nah, that's why guys, the main goal is like speaking, but the first one is it has, like the confidence. I want to know you guys, your confidence this time. Bro Fajar, what about you? How many confidence do you speak English from? Maybe one, maybe like nine, not nine. Yeah, it's just like 10% to 100%. So how many percent do you're confident to speak English? Yeah.
For currently, maybe my confidence to speak English is for around 50%, bro.
50%. All right, so
Yeah.
really great, Bro Fajar, lovely. And you can still improve, guys, your confidence. Who knows? Until we finish this class, your confidence is level up. Okay, until maybe 80% or who knows 100%. You feel so confident. It's really good. Okay, Bro Fajar, keep it
Yes, thank
going.
you,
You are
bro.
so
Yeah.
good, bro. Okay, what about the authors here, guys? What about Sis Fabi? Hello, Sis Fabi.
Hello.
All
Morning.
right, Sis morning. Sis Fabi, what about you? You have paused your class previously in basic
Hello,
one.
Bro
So,
Vic.
hello, Sis Punky. Welcome back to the class. What's Sis Fabi? How many percent is your confidence to speak English?
Maybe 2%.
2%? Maybe 2%? You sure?
Yeah.
All right, that's okay. Process therapy, you can still improve a lot, okay? Well, everyone, if you want to learn English, especially language, gak harus bahasa Inggris ya, apapun bahasanya. The first one is confidence. Pede, guys, okay? One of the way how to be confident is, guys, you could turn on your camera. Dibuka aja kameranya guys teman-teman biar tambah pede. Okay, that show up your face and also your confident itu biar tambah pede teman-teman. Okay. Pas nanti beda rasanya guys. Okay. Teman-teman ngomong, semisal nih guys, I give you the example. You can speak English well, okay, or you always speak English, teman-teman. Okay. Lah ngomong bahasa Inggris tapi ditutup, itu bakal beda rasanya ketika teman-teman ngomong bahasa Inggris tapi dibuka. Okay, it's gonna be different the feeling. So one of the way is just open your cam. Tapi Bro Vicky nggak masakan guys teman-teman. Senyamannya teman-teman ya. Okay, but one of the way is just open your cam guys. Khususnya nanti ketika practice di breakout room, teman-teman biar ngobrolnya asik, enak, dibuka aja. It's really good, alright? Okay, that's the information everyone ya. Teman-teman, yang pertama, yang penting guys, be confident. Okay, and the second it should be don't be afraid to make mistakes, guys. Is right. Just keep going, keep talking. Okay, jangan takut salah. Gak tahu bahasa Inggrisnya Bro Fik? Is alright. Grammar takut salah, pengucapan takut salah. Is alright, guys. We're still learning. So we can make mistake. Gak apa-apa guys, kita kan masih belajar ya, tempatnya salah ya guys ya. Kita kan manusia guys ya, bukan Nabi Boy. Wah. Oke. So well guys, just be confident. Don't be afraid to make mistake. Gak tahu, ditabrak aja pakai bahasa Indonesia. Oke, tapi dicari gak taunya apa. Di kamus atau tanya ke Bro Vicky, teman-teman yang lain yang tahu bisa membantu. It's alright guys. Okay, the important one is you want to talk. Jangan takut, gitu ya. Alright, so that's one guys, and let's get started. We are in basic 2. Teman-teman sudah pada tahu ya informasi kelasnya. Jadi kelas kita itu tetap jam 10 waktu Indonesia Barat. Linknya itu sama. Jadi teman-teman yang masih tanya linknya sama. Bro Vicky sudah pin di deskripsi grup kelas kita. Oke. Bro Vicky juga bakal kasih informasi tentang kelasnya 1 jam sebelumnya. Berarti jam 9 Bro Vicky sudah share linknya teman-teman biar nggak lupa kalau ada kelas. Oke. That's it everyone. And untuk modulnya sudah Bro Vicky kirim juga ya teman-teman, bisa di-download, bisa atau dibukukan gitu guys. Oke. So di print juga boleh. It's alright. Setelah teman-teman ya itu. Oke. We are the same, sama pelajaran kita pelajari pasti sama di modul, beda tipis-tipis aja ya guys ya. Yang penting sama. Untuk beberapa mungkin tidak ada di modul karena Bro Vicky bakal kasih tambahan-tambahan tentang pronunciation, or who knows grammatical, and the other tips trick to have a good in English. So, teman-teman always have a note, ditulis ataupun di screenshot aja, di foto is okay. So, to improve your English. Gitu teman-teman ya. Okay, and the next is every day. Mulai nanti guys ya, maybe it should be tomorrow. Besok aja guys kayaknya guys. Okay, it is better karena ada beberapa yang belum masuk grup ya. Mulai besok Bro Vicky bakal buka grupnya, oke. Grup kelas itu bakal Bro Vicky buka, teman-teman bisa sharing di sana, bisa English area. Every day I will give you a question. Setiap hari Bro Vicky bakal kasih informasi tentang, bukan informasi ya, topik yang teman-teman bisa diskusikan untuk English area. Boleh ditulis untuk latihan kita writing, menulis, ataupun speaking. Nanti teman-teman boleh pakai voice note dijawabnya ya. So just for English area atau diskusi apapun teman-teman di situ aja. Is alright, jangan takut teman-teman. You can use bahasa or mix, dicampur aja lebih baik teman-teman biar terbiasa. Karena bahasa butuh pembiasaan, guys. Oke, so biasa menulis pakai bahasa Inggris, biasa ngomong pakai bahasa Inggris, biasa mendengarkan pakai bahasa Inggris, biasa membaca pakai bahasa Inggris. Make it your habit, right? That's it everyone, biar cepet bisa teman-teman. Itu teman-temannya. Teman-teman nggak perlu membuat grup-grup lain, pakai aja grup kelas kita itu untuk diskusi kalian. Is alright, guys. Oke. That's it. And save daripada grup-grup lain-lain nanti buat grup sendiri akhirnya kacau gimana. Lebih baik diskusi aja di situ. Tapi kalau untuk membuat grup lain untuk praktis sehari-hari Bro Fik atau punya kelompok lain, is okay, nggak apa-apa teman-teman, sangat tidak apa-apa. Senyamannya teman-teman kok sebenarnya. Okay guys ya, I think that's gonna be enough for the information. Do you have any questions everyone? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih guys teman-teman sebelum kita mulai pelajarannya nih? Nope. Aman ya tentang informasi dan sebagainya? Okay.
Yeah.
Say great everyone. Really nice. I'm sorry Bro Vicky, I'm not right. This link is totally fine. The important one, you can join a class. Teman-teman nggak apa-apa telat ya. Okay. Yang penting tetap ikut guys. I know you have your own activity. Okay. And by the way guys, kelasnya Bro Vicky itu Bro Vicky pinginnya santai tapi sungguh-sungguh ya. Oke, biar cepat bisa. Santai di situ teman-teman, santai. Boleh sambil makan, yang belum sarapan boleh. It's okay. Just have your breakfast or just snacking. It's okay sambil nyemil or just having coffee. It's alright, guys teman-teman. Make it fine. Sambil tiduran Bro Fik, is okay. Alright, sambil santai aja guys ya. Enjoy the class everyone. Okay. Rofi, kalau mau rokok gimana? Is alright, guys. Teman-teman mau rokok gak apa-apa. Lebih baik ketika merokoknya kelihatan itu, guys. Nanti dimatikan aja, guys, kameranya. Nanti kalau udah, baru dibuka lagi. Karena kelas kita itu di-record, guys. Oke. You know right, everyone? That's for the information. Setelah Bro Vicky kelas selesai nanti, guys, Bro Vicky bakal mengirimkan recording kelas seperti biasanya. Jangan lupa, recording kelas itu bisa diakses 2 kali 24 jam atau 2 hari. Boleh di-download ya teman-temannya, boleh di-download banget. Nanti tutorial downloadnya ada di grup. Ataupun semisal nih, Bro Vicky punya tips nih guys teman-teman. But you can be the best one or maybe the kindest one. Misalnya Bro Fajar nih, semisal for example. Oke, Bro Fajar yang suka mendownload, di-download aja Bro Fajar. Habis itu nanti disimpan di file atau Google Drive teman-teman. Itu guys ya. Biar tidak memakan memori yang lebih, dipakai di drive aja guys, Google Drive. Habis itu linknya ditaruh atau dikirim di grup kelas juga nggak apa-apa. Nanti Bro Vicky pin. Jadi teman-teman yang lain tidak perlu mendownload, langsung aja ditonton downloadannya Bro Fajar di Google Drive atau Google Drive-nya Bro Fajar di Google is okay. Biar membantu. Banyak seperti itu guys ya. Oke. Jadi teman-teman jangan malu untuk share recordingnya atau mungkin downloadannya ke grup kelas. Gak apa-apa teman-teman. It's alright. We help each other. Itu teman-temannya. Kalau nggak masuk kelas jangan lupa tonton recordingnya guys. Biar nggak ketinggalan materinya. Every day you will get a new topic, new one, new information, new tips, trick. So don't miss the classes better. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be enough. And back to the nature. So let's get started, guys. Today is the first day. Hari pertama, guys, just enjoy it. We don't have breakout room. Hari pertama kita nggak ada breakout room ya. Breakout room itu dilakuin besok hari kedua sudah mulai praktis di breakout room seperti biasa. Today is just introducing of our class. No, our class, introducing ourselves, introducing others. But we have learned it in the class previously in Basic 1, but it should be different. Just be a professional and better introduction. Let's get started. Here we go. Look at the topic for the first time, guys. Introduce, yeah, just introduce longer and clear. Introduce longer and clear. Memperkenalkan lebih panjang, otomatis maksudnya lebih lengkap ya guys ya. And clear, lebih jelas. Itu teman-temannya. Oke, that's our topic for today. Hari pertama pasti introduction guys ya. Tapi beda-beda goal atau per levelnya. Oke, in this time is longer and clear. So look at this. We don't talk about this actually. This one. Don't forget, if you want to introduce yourself, please remember 3 rules. Okay? Don't be nervous. Jangan teman-teman nervous gitu ya. Okay? Just be confident. Keep it simple but clear. Simple and clear. Okay? Keep on point, langsung to the point, jangan bertele-tele kemana-mana. Okay, that's it, Jeffrey. It's better to introduce ourselves. Okay, look at this, everyone. I have a question. Di sini ada pertanyaan yang teman-teman bisa gunakan ketika mau memperkenalkan diri. Caranya banyak. Ini salah satunya. Teman-teman punya versi yang lain juga boleh. Yang penting konteksnya masih sama. And then how to answer. Gimana cara menjawabnya? So we have a lot of ways. Banyak caranya di sini cara menjawabnya untuk berdiskusi. Okay? Today. And we will practice this. Nanti teman-teman ada yang bertanya, ada yang menjawab ketika practice nanti. And the next is about this one. So just introduce yourself the whole sentence. Dalam satu kalimat gitu teman-teman ya, langsung bukan tanya jawab tapi langsung perkenalkan langsung, so we learn it more. Okay, so let's get started. Here we go. Hey guys, don't forget, I want to highlight here, just remember, English is more than just word. Okay, it is about the culture, the habitual, the people itself. Bahasa, language, apalagi bahasa Inggris ya, bahasa itu nggak hanya sekedar kata, kita belajar kata, kata, dan kata. No, this is more than that. Lebih guys, it's about the culture, budaya, okay? About the habitual, kebiasaan orang di sana, ataupun orang-orangnya. Karena bahasa pasti berubah ya guys ya. Kayak gitu, kayak bahasa kita dari saya dan kamu menjadi lo dan gue. Itu bahasa kita. In English juga bisa seperti itu ya guys ya. Apalagi di modern saat ini. So that's why we need to know that, okay? So let's get started everyone. The first time, if you were to ask the name, you should, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Or just say, what's your name? Is okay. Kalau disingkat, teman-teman kayak gini, menjadi kayak gini ya. What's, itu boleh. Oke, kalau disingkat, what's your name? Itu disingkat dari what is. Boleh, guys. It's okay. Kalau nggak disingkat, tapi PG-nya lebih baik, ya. Teman-teman masih ingat ya, Bro Vicky dulu pernah spill sedikit. Kita akan belajar ini semuanya nanti, guys ya. Oke. Di sini di Dafel ini juga, ketika ada konsonan, ada sebuah kata ya, akhirannya itu konsonan. Suara, guys, bukan huruf. Suara konsonan, what, t, itu konsonan, guys. Ketemu sama sebuah kata yang awalannya itu vokal. Is, a, i, u, e, o. Suara, bukan huruf. Tandai. Itu teman-teman boleh banget untuk digabungin. Bukan, what is your name? No. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? It's better. Teman-teman gitu ya. Okay. And then is the second. What do you do for living? You ask about the job. Pekerjaan itu nggak hanya what is your job, guys. You can use what do you do for living. Kayak kelas sebelumnya sama ya. What do you do for living? What is your job? Artinya sama, konteksnya sama, apa pekerjaanmu? Itu teman-teman ya. The second is talk about age. Nah ini guys, tadi Bro Vicky kita udah garis bawah ini. Bahasa gak hanya sekedar kata, tentang budaya, kebiasaan, dan orangnya. So that's why, how old are you? Ini kayak opsional teman-teman. Kalau di negara kita, it's just normal. We ask, Bro Fajar, how old are you? It's okay. Udah lumrah atau terbiasa. Ada beberapa yang, no, it is privacy. Tapi kalau di luar guys, we couldn't ask this. It is not good. Lebih baik di teman-teman, apalagi orang Eropa ya khususnya, itu teman-teman di mereka itu nggak suka ditanya umur. It is like privacy. Ditanya, how old are you? They will think, hey, who are you? Siapa lo tanya-tanya gitu guys. Oke, so just avoid it. Oke, tapi ada beberapa juga yang nyaman-nyaman aja. Lebih baik kita itu jangan ditanyakan ya guys ya untuk orang luar. Kalau orang Indonesia sih, misal nih, Sisri, how old are you? I'm still young. Okay, I am, for example, I am 40. Masih muda kinyis-kinyis. Itu orang Indonesia guys. Gitu ya. It's okay, orang Indonesia. How old are you? Udah 60 nih, masih muda kok gitu. Orang Indonesia guys. Enak. Oke, okay. Orang luar beda. Oke, okay. It's gonna be different. Just optional teman-teman ya. Oke. Okay. You must know the people. Teman-teman harus tahu orangnya atau lawan bicara kalian. Yang ketiga, what is or what's your educational background? Okay, look at this everyone. Cara membacanya bukan educational, but edu. Bro Vicky tulis di sini guys ya cara bacanya. Ini adalah cara membaca ya, bukan tulisannya tapi cara membaca. Educational. Educational. Ini cara membacanya ya. Educational. What is your educational? Not edu, guys. D, educational. Ingat-ingat guys, mostly in English, ketika ada D ketemu sama U, huruf D ketemu sama U, itu dibaca J. Mostly, tapi nggak semua ya, kebanyakan. So, satu contohnya seperti ini. Educational. Pendidikan. Education. Educate. Semuanya pakai J. Ya. Oke. What is your educational background? Not background, but background. Ini dibaca O-nya dibaca A ya. Suaranya background. Gitu guys. What is your educational background? Berarti latar belakang pendidikan teman-teman. They ask about your education. Atau mungkin mereka tidak pakai educational. Langsung guys, what is your background? What is your background? Itu juga biasa sering dipakai. So we cannot answer like, what is your background? My background is this. Do you know? This is my background, guys. Do you want to know more? Background yang lain? No, guys. No, it's gonna be education. Okay? Educational background. Latar belakang pendidikan. And the next is, what do you do in your leisure time? Don't forget, guys, leisure time, free time itu artinya sama. Waktu luang. Bacanya leisure. Nih, guys. Leisure. Kayak gini, guys. Leisure. Not leisure. It is spelled S-nya itu kayak tebel, lebih ke Z, tapi nggak ZZ bener ya. Leisure. Leisure. What do you do in your leisure time or free time? Or what is your favorite activity to do? Favorite, cara bacanya bukan favorite. Lebih baik teman-teman belajarnya bilangnya favorite. Gini guys. Favorite. It's good. Favorite. Favorite. Bukan favorite. Itu guys ya. Favorite activity to do. Bukan favorite. Okay? So what do you do in your leisure time or free time? Pilih salah satu aja. What is your favorite activity to do? Gitu guys ya. Apa yang kamu lakuin ketika punya waktu luang? Ya guys ya. Atau aktivitas apa yang kalian suka lakuin? Itu artinya. Ya. Yeah. So you can answer I love reading dan sebagainya. And then the next one, why did you take this course? Kenapa kalian ambil kursusan ini atau belajar bahasa Inggris itu kenapa, guys? Why did you take this course? Guys, I give you tips again. Nih, guys. Ketika teman-teman menemukan D, akhirannya D, suara akhirannya D, ketemu sama kata yang awalannya itu Y, itu suaranya kayak J. You need to pronounce like G. Did you? Did you? Gitu ya. Okay. Did you? Why did you take this course? Gitu guys. Itu salah satu style English ya. Makanya native itu kok ngomong cepet banget. Digabung-gabung itu apa? Did you? What is did you? Kita dengarnya did you. Dicari di kamus gak ada did you guys. Okay. It should be did and you ditambah penambahan suara J. Ingat ya syaratnya ketika D ketemu Y. Would you, could you, dan lain sebagainya. Oke? Why did you take this course? Kenapa kamu ngambil kursusan ini atau belajar bahasa Inggris? Itu kenapa? Oke. The next one, what is your goal by the end of this class? What is or what's your goal by the end? Masih ingat teman-teman? Ini adalah artikel ketika the ketemu sama kata yang awalannya itu vokal A, I, U, E, O vokal. Ini I atau E di bahasa Indonesia. Dibaca di. Gak boleh dibaca the and. No, the. What is your goal by the end of this class? Digabungin boleh ini guys. And konsonan vokal. What is your goal by the end of this class? Apa goal kalian di akhir kelas ini nanti, guys? Okay? So that's one is our topic. Okay. So well everyone, teman-teman coba tirukan Bro Vicky. Cuma di mute ya. Nanti kalau semuanya dibuka nanti bakal suaranya kemana-mana atau mantul-mantul. Teman-teman Bro Vicky mute semua. Tirukan Bro Vicky yang keras. Okay? Biar membentuk teman-teman, suara teman-teman biar gak kaku, terbiasa kalau ngomong bahasa Inggris yang keras, guys. Oke, so guys, repeat after me. What is your name? Semuanya teruskan berpikir ya. Udah. Yang kedua, what do you do for living? What is your job? Okay. How old are you? Right. Ini boleh ke teman-teman digabungin, boleh banget ya. So, how old? Digabungin semua. How old are you? Boleh. Susah bro, Fik? Ya digabungin salah satu aja. Kayak how old are you? Gitu is okay. Susah digabungin semua, salah satu aja. Gitu ya teman-teman. Repeat again once more. How old are you? Okay. What is your educational background? What do you do in your leisure time? What is your favorite activity to do? Why did you take this course? What is your goal by the end of this class? All right, so great, everyone. You are so nice. Okay, the next one, guys, who wants to practice just reading this? Siapa yang mau praktis nih? Membaca nih, guys. Angkat tangannya ya. Raise your hand. Okay, don't be afraid. Angkat tangannya. Pakai raise hand ini ya. Jangan angkat tangan gini, nanti capek. Okay. Brunov, come on, Brunov. Let's give it off. Let's read this. Ya, semuanya ya.
Yes,
One.
thank you, Bro
Yes.
Vicky.
1, 2, 3, go. Let's go, bro.
What is your name?
Good.
What do you do for a living?
Hmm,
What is your job?
okay.
How old are you?
Oh, good.
What is your educational background?
Good job.
What do you do in your leisure time or free time?
Hmm,
What is your favorite activity to do?
Favorite. Gimana, Brunov?
Favorite.
Ya, favorite.
Favorite.
All right, good. It's better. Yuk.
Why did you take this course?
Good. Hmm.
What is your goal by the end of this class?
Wow, good job, Brunov. You are really good. Really
Okay,
nice.
thank you, bro.
Most
Yes, thank
welcome.
you.
Okay, anytime. Guys, look at this. Ini ingatnya teman-teman, bacanya favorite. Ingat, F itu lebih tipis, kalau V itu lebih tebal. F. Beda kan? Nah, so favorite. Favorite. Jadi kalau favorite itu kan 3 suku kata ketika kita ngomong. Favorite. Jadiin 2 aja, guys. Favorite. Favorite is better. Okay? Good job, bro. Lovely. Lanjut nih, Sis Lily. Come on, Sis Lily. Take your time and practice this.
Okay.
Yep.
What is your name?
Hmm,
What do you do for living?
okay.
What is your job?
Good.
How old are you?
Yep.
What is your educational background?
Good.
What do you do in your leisure time or free time? What is your favorite activity to do?
Good.
Why did you take this course?
Yep.
What is your goal by the end of this class?
Wow, you were really good, Sis Lily. That's lovely. Thank you so much. Great job. Okay. Once more, satu orang lagi, guys ya. Di sini kita lanjut ke part selanjutnya. So, sis Intan yang bawahnya. Sis Intan. Okay, come on, let's practice and take your time. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go.
What is your name?
Good.
What do you do for a living? What is your job?
Wow.
How old are you?
Wow, okay.
What is your education? Sorry.
Educational.
Education.
Educational.
Yeah,
What is
can.
your educational background?
Wow, good.
What do you... Sorry, because I'm so nervous. Sorry.
Don't be nervous. Santuy, okay, sis Intan. Lanjutin yuk.
What do you do in your leisure time or free time? What is your favorite activity to do?
All right, great.
What did you take this course?
Yep.
What is your goal by the end of this class?
Wow, great job, sis Intan. You are so nice. That's lovely. Okay, you can do it right, everyone ya. Oke, teman-teman jangan malu. Oke, pede aja, santuy, teman-teman. Mufik, saya ini lagi malu, maju mundur, maju mundur. Teman-teman harus keluar dari zona nyamannya ya. Tabrak aja, guys. Gas saja gitu, guys. Gak apa-apa salah. It's alright. Kita belajar kok, guys. Oke, lanjut guys ya. Let's continue to the next one. Oke, ini pertanyaan teman-teman bisa gunakan. Oke, and then atau punya cara lain, Bro Fik, untuk tanya umur atau tanya apa boleh, nggak apa-apa. Ini yang sering dipakai aja. Oke, that's it. Let's continue to the next part. Look at this. How to answer. Answer. Menjawab itu answer, nggak boleh answer. W-nya nggak dibaca ya. Answer. Yang paling tepat bukan answer. Oke. Answer. How to answer. How to answer. Gitu guys. Oke. Lanjut nih. Look at this. Ini cara menjawabnya. Dari semisal ditanya tadi. Yang pertama guys. What is your name or what's your name? Teman-teman jawabnya seperti ini. Ada 3 cara nih. Oke. Yang pertama, you can just call your name. Okay, your nickname actually. Or my name is Sis Intan. My name is Intan. Boleh. Kalau ditanya, teman-teman langsung lebih baik kalau konteksnya formal ya, teman-teman. Ini formal loh. Formal itu ya lebih baik this is your full name. What is your name? My full name is great. It's really good. It's better. Okay? Teman-teman seperti itu. Kalau konteksnya sama orang yang non formal ya atau santai aja, ketemu orang baru, konteksnya tidak formal, ya udah nama panggil aja cukup, teman-teman. Is that right? Okay? What is your name? My name is John. Okay? My full name is John Cashton. Is okay? Atau pakai simple aja nih. I'm boleh atau I am boleh, I'm boleh. I'm John. Langsung aja. What is your name? I'm John. What is your name? I'm Ulfa. What is your name? I'm Fidi. It's okay. It's totally fine. Gitu teman-teman ya. Oke. Bisa pilih salah satu. Oke. Yang kalian suka yang mana? And the next one guys, the second part. Ketika ditanya, what do you do for living? Atau what is your job? Apa pekerjaanmu? Boleh langsung dinamakan profesinya. I am a teacher. I am a doctor. I am a lecturer. I am an artist. Okay? Boleh. I am an architect. Is totally fine. Gak apa-apa teman-teman ya. Langsung profesinya. Teman-teman masih ingat ya kapan menggunakan e dan en? Kita belajar di kelas sebelumnya. Di versi 1. Masih ingat ya? Perbedaannya? Oke, itu guys. I am a student. Boleh. I am a housewife. Kalau ibu rumah tangga, I am a housewife. It's alright. So, atau cara yang lain nih. Ketika this is like, what is your job? I work as, artinya saya bekerja sebagai itu. I work as maybe employee. I work as a teacher. I work as, what is this, like a president. I work as Entrepreneur, pengusaha. Boleh. I work as, saya bekerja sebagai. And then I don't work. Misalnya teman-teman nggak bekerja, entah lagi nunggu pekerjaan, mencari pekerjaan, atau mungkin memang nggak bekerja karena ibu rumah tangga atau gimana pun. You can say, I don't work, but I'm a housewife. Gitu. I don't work, but I have my own business. I don't work, but I'm just fresh graduate. Masih nunggu kerja nih. Boleh ya teman-teman. Kalau jangan malu, gak kerja nggak apa-apa. Is that right? Okay. Alright, this one everyone ya. Cara ditanya ketika what do you do for living? Okay. Or what is your job? Okay. Itu teman-teman boleh pilih salah satu juga. The second is about this. Ditanya how old are you? Cara menjawab how old are you? You can just say I'm around. Around itu sekitar artinya ya. I'm around 30. Gitu guys. Okay, it's really good. Teman-teman mau bilang gini, kalau 30, how do you say ini guys? How do you say 20? 20 bahasa Inggrisnya apa sih guys?
20.
20. Nah, 20 itu 20. Guys ya. Kalau teman-teman mau bilang 20-an, kamu umur berapa? Saya sekitar 20-an, 30-an, 17-an, atau 40-an, an, itu tambah S gini guys. Oke. Bacanya nanti 20s, 30s, 40s. Artinya imbuhan an, 20-an, 40-an gitu ya. Oke. Gitu guys. Oke. So you can say I'm around 20s. I'm around 30s, gitu aja guys. Oke, biar aman, nggak spesifik gitu. How old are you? I'm 30s, berarti 30 berapa, nggak spesifik. Oke. Atau teman-teman boleh langsung aja nih, I am 13 years old. I am 17 years old. I am 25 years old. I am 30 years old. Boleh. Langsung spesifik kalau itu. Kalau teman-teman pakai almost, what is the meaning of almost? Apa guys? Almost artinya hampir. Iya, boleh nih. Semisal tahun ini, bulan depan atau bulan kedepannya itu mungkin akan umur 30, akan umur 25, akan umur 22. You can just say I'm almost 22. I'm almost 30. I'm almost 20. I'm almost 17. Is that right? Hampir. Boleh ya? Pakai I'm around. Kalau ingin nyaman, I'm around 20s. It's good. Atau PD, spesifik, I am 17 years old. Atau hampir, I'm almost 26. 27, 30s. It's okay. Teman-teman gitu ya. Ketika ditanya, age. The next one, number 4. What is your educational background? You can answer, I studied in and finished in, gitu guys. Okay. I started in 2019 and finished in 2015, for example. Gitu guys ya. Lebih ke tahun ya. I studied in itu lebih ke ini guys, tahun. Tapi kalau teman-teman pakai how we say that one? At itu baru tempatnya. I studied at Gajah Mada University. I studied at itu lebih ke tempatnya. Kalau in, it is mostly tahunnya teman-teman. Saya belajar tahun berapa mulainya dan selesai tahun berapa. Gitu guys. Graduated itu lebih lulus. Graduated ini bacanya guys. Gradu, D dan U. Sama kayak tadi dibaca J. Bacanya gini jadi N. Graduated. Ya, graduated. Ini paling tepat teman-temannya. Cara bacanya. I graduated. I graduated. I graduated in 2020 majoring ini ya, jurusan guys. Majoring. Jurusan itu pakai major. Majoring, not major ya. Majoring jurusan apa nih? I graduated in 2020 majoring international relation. Majoring law. Oke, majoring is up to you apa itu guys ya. Jurusannya. Oke, teman-temannya. I graduated in majoring itu ya. Oke. And the next one atau pakai ini aja. It was 5 years ago I finished my university, my school, my education. Boleh. Boleh ya. It was 5 years ago I finished my university. 5 tahun yang lalu saya selesai kuliahku. Boleh pakai ini. It's totally fine. Itu teman-temannya. And the next one, ketika teman-teman ditanya nih, what is your activity in your leisure time? What do you like to do in your free time? Boleh ya. Waktu luang, I spend menghabiskan. I spend my leisure time by, ingat semuanya harus diikuti verb ing. Sama kayak di basic 1 dulu guys ya. Harus diikuti verb ing. Don't forget. I spend my leisure time by cooking, by reading book, by dancing, singing. Gitu guys. Ini juga sama ya. I love doing cooking. I love doing reading. I love doing watching movie. Sama. I'm into. Into di sini artinya suka. Jadi teman-teman mau bilang suka itu nggak hanya I like, I love, I enjoy. Pakai yang gaul nih. Anak zaman sekarang ya, atau bahasa zaman sekarang itu pakainya into. I'm into cooking. Semuanya verb ing. Berarti saya suka memasak. I'm into listening to the music. Saya suka mendengarkan musik. I'm into dancing. Saya suka menari. Oke. Okay? Pakai into ini yang sering dipakai native sekarang ya guys ya. Dia jarang pakai I like. Pakainya I'm into. I'm into. Semuanya ingat diikuti verb ing. Nggak boleh I'm into cook. No. It should be verb ing. Diingkan pokoknya teman-temannya kata kerjanya. Oke. Itu. Into itu teman-teman bebas ya. Mau bilang suka. Misal nih. Suka kucing. I'm into the cat. I'm into the dog. I'm into book. This book boleh kok. Nggak apa-apa. Itu ya. Oke. Kalau mau kasih kata kerja, verb harus verb ing. Itu teman-teman. Oke. Boleh pakai yang mana? Yang panjang spend my leisure time by. I love doing. Atau yang sering dipakai. Atau kata zaman sekarangnya yang sering dipakai. It is great to use it. I'm into. I suggest you use this one. I'm into. Teman-temannya. And the next one, number 6. Ketika ditanya, kenapa nih ikut kelas? Why do you take this course? Why did you take this course? I'm taking this class because, kenapa nih guys? I'm taking this class because I want to improve my English. Ini kan bahasa Inggris. The reason why I'm taking this is to be able to speak English. Boleh. Terserah teman-teman ya. Apa alasan kalian belajar bahasa Inggris? Karena kenapa guys? If you want to learn something new, apalagi bahasa, you must have a goal. Teman-teman harus punya yang namanya tujuan. Goal. Goal. Kenapa saya ngomong belajar bahasa Inggris? Like why? Teman-teman semuanya dicari ya. I hope teman-teman why? Why is a great question to do something. Kenapa teman-teman belajar ini, dan ini, apalagi bahasa. Kenapa belajar bahasa? Karena kenapa? Learning language, it needs the consistent. Butuh konsisten teman-teman. Jangan nanti masuk enggak. Alright. Atau mungkin practice enggak practice gitu guys ya. Kalau pengen cepat guys ya, just be consistent. Konsisten belajarnya guys. Oke. Selalu dipakai, selalu praktis gitu guys. Salah satu cara konsisten gimana? Karena sebagai orang yang normal, kadang-kadang kita males. Kadang-kadang kita berani. You know right? Berani atau semangat gitu guys ya. It's okay. Normal kok guys. Semuanya merasakan itu. Berpikir itu juga seperti itu. Salah satunya kenapa? Why? Find the reason why. Kenapa? Misal Bro Fajar. Why do you want to learn English? I want to go to abroad to have scholarship. Boleh. Berarti ingin mendapat beasiswa dan belajar di luar negeri. Okay? Or maybe the others. For example, ada Sis Feby. Sis Feby, why do you want to learn English? Mau nikah sama bule, Bro Fik. Oh, boleh banget. Itu guys ya. It's okay. Itu kan alasan teman-teman. Jadi kalau nggak cepet bisa ya otomatis nggak nikah-nikah sama bule. Nggak cepet bisa otomatis ya nggak bakal keluar negeri untuk belajar. So find your way. Itulah cara membuat kita semangat teman-teman ya. Oke. Find the reason. Why do you want to do it? Kalau udah bisa nanti, how to use it? Mau dikemanakan bahasa Inggris saya itu, oke? Gitu guys. Karena bahasa kalau nggak dipakai meskipun udah jago, bakal hilang dan hilang guys ya. Oke, itulah bahasa guys. Karena this is not our mother language, bukan bahasa ibu kita. So it's just normal. Use it, oke? Lanjut guys. Number 7 yang terakhir ketika ditanya kayak, what do you do by the end of the season or this class? Ya, by the end of this class, I hope I can speak English. Di akhir kelas ini, ya guys ya, saya harap saya bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris. By the end of this class, I hope I can speak English. Guys, look at this. Ini harus diikuti verb 1. Ya, verb 1. Tidak boleh nanti bilang gini. By the end of this class, I hope I can speaking English well. Tidak boleh. Masih ingat ya, modal verb yang Bro Vicky dulu kasih. Kita belajar di kelas sebelumnya di basic 1. Verb 1. So, by the end of this class, I hope I can speak English. Juga nggak boleh. By the end of this class, I hope I can choose speak English. Tidak boleh. Tidak usah dipakai to, tidak usah dipakai verb ing. Langsung verb 1 aja. Gitu ya. The goal is to speak English fluently. Goal saya adalah untuk bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan lancar. The goal is to speak English well. Sama, to diikuti yang namanya verb 1. This is the same. Sama, oke? Okay? Oke, kisah nggak boleh. The goal is to speaking. No, alright. Oke, teman-teman, bisa ya? Oke? So guys, everyone, do you have a question this time? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih, guys? Sebelum kita praktis nih. Aman semua ya?
Aman.
Oke, so great. Kalau teman-teman masih ragu, tanya aja. Tidak apa-apa. Jangan malu bertanya ya, guys ya. Don't be coy. Masih ingat, guys, apa artinya don't be coy? Apa tuh, guys? Jangan. Don't be coy. Kelas sebelumnya, guys. Halo. Jangan malu-malu kucing. Apa, guys? Iya, teman-teman jangan malu-malu kucing ya. Bukan don't be shy cat. No. Guys. Don't be coy artinya jangan malu-malu kucing. Okay. Don't be coy. Don't be coy, guys. Just be confident. Okay. Got it, everyone ya. Oke, lanjut guys. Kita bakal praktis, nanti ada yang tanya, ada yang menjawab ya. Siapa teman-teman yang mau praktis, silakan langsung raise your hand. Oke, angkat tangannya. Nanti dibuka kameranya teman-teman ya, biar kita melatih PD juga nih. Oke, so yang praktis Bro Vicky bakal dahuluin yang angkat tangan dan dibuka kameranya. Bro Vicky panggil lebih awal. Oke, that's it. Semua yang praktis silakan angkat tangan. Oke, so guys, let's get started. So this is Bro Nov and Sis Lilik. Okay. Bro Nov ini yang bertanya. Okay. Sis Lilik berarti yang menjawab ya di sini. Okay. Siap ya? Yuk.
Okay, bro. Thanks, bro.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go.
What is your name?
My name is Lilik. My full name is Lilik Fadia. I am Lilik.
Oke. Pilih salah satu aja Sis Lilik.
Oh gitu.
Iya. Ini ada banyak pilihannya. Pilih salah satu aja. Biar kita nggak bingung. Oke, Sis Lilik, good job. Lanjutin, bro.
What is your job?
What do you do? Oh.
Ya, ini sama aja. Pilih salah satu juga. Yuk.
I work as therapist, blood
Oh.
cupping.
Good job.
How old are you?
I'm around 50s.
Oh, good.
What is your educational background?
I studied in 1989 and finished in 1992.
What do you do in your leisure time or free time?
I spend my leisure time by watching TV and reading the Holy Quran.
Oh, great.
Why did you take this? Why did you take this course? Take this course.
I'm taking this class because I want fluently in English.
Oh, good.
What is your goal by the end of this class?
By the end of this class, I hope I can speak English fluently.
Oh, really good. Thank you so
Okay.
much,
Thank
Cecilia and
you.
Pranav. You are really
Okay, thank
good.
you,
I
Bobby.
like it. Okay, guys, the next one is Siti Hadijah with Mommy. Let's go. Siti Hadijah yang tanya ya, Mommy. Halo, Mommy. Come on. You
Yes,
can
bro.
answer Siti Hadijah questions, okay? 1, 2, 3,
Okay, bro.
go. Let's go.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Lainey.
What do you do for a living? Or what is your job?
I am an extraordinary housewife. I work
Okay.
as a full-time mother. I
Oh,
don't work, but I have extraordinary job
oh,
as a
really great.
housewife.
Alright. Here's mommy. Just answer it one. Salah satu aja dipilih ya.
Okay.
Okay, good. Lanjut yuk.
How old are you?
I am 55 years old.
What is your educational background?
Wait. Wait. I studied in Petra Christian University and finished in 2019.
What do
Majoring
you
is economic.
Right, great
Oh,
job.
okay. What do you do in your leisure time, free time, or what is your favorite activity to do?
In my leisure time, I love doing relaxing activity like reading and caring my animals.
Okay. Your pet, my pet.
Yeah, because I have
Uh-uh.
much pet, bro.
Okay, you have many pets. Great
Yep.
job. Okay. Lanjut yuk.
Why did you take this course?
Honestly, I taking this class because just want to killing my time.
Great.
Yes, because
Okay.
I'm lonely at home.
Okay.
Okay, what is your goal by the end of this class?
The goal is to communication well in daily conversations.
Really great. Thank you so much, Mommy and Siti Hadijah. You are so good. That's lovely. Okay, great job.
Thank you, bro.
Most
Thank you.
welcome. Okay, the next one, guys, we have Bro Fajar and Ceta Aulia. Halo, Ceta Aulia. Is it Ceta?
Halo bro.
Oh, Bro Ceta. Okay, come on. Well, Bro Fajar and
Yes,
Bro
bro.
Ceta. Bro Ceta, you can ask Bro Fajar. Bro Fajar, just answer the question. Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
go.
alright.
Let's go.
What is your name?
I'm Fajar, or you can call me Fajar.
Okay.
What do you do for a living?
I am as a store associate.
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm around 20s.
What is educational background?
I study in university and will finish on and will finish in the next year.
Oh, great.
And my majoring in economics.
Okay, great.
What do you do in leisure time?
I usually use my free time for learning English.
Good.
Why did you take this course?
Because I want to improving my skill English, especially for speaking. Because I have one dream job.
Okay, great.
What is your goal by the end of this class?
My goal after this class is I wish I can speak English more confident and more fluently without nervous.
Oh, really nice. Thank you so much, Bro Fajar
Thank
and
you.
Bro Seta. Okay, it's really
you,
great.
bro.
Is it your real name, Seta, Bro Seta?
What's bro?
It is your real name, Seta Aulia?
Yes, bro.
Okay, so great, Bro Seta. Really nice topic to talk about. Last one to practice. Bro Fidi and Sis Yenny. Okay, Bro Fidi, you can assist Yenny this time. Yeah. 1, 2, Sis Yenny. Di sini nih,
Okay.
Bro Fidi. Siap ya? Bro Fidi dibuka dulu mikrofonnya. And let's get started.
Hey, Sis Jenny, what is your name?
My name is Yeni Merida. You can call me Yeni.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you do for a living?
I'm entrepreneurship right now.
Wait.
And how old are you?
I'm 45 years old.
Okay.
What is your educational background?
Actually, I'm graduated my master degree at in Universitas Muhammadiyah of Jakarta, majoring human resources management.
Okay.
Oh, that's great. What do you do in your leisure time?
I love doing reading or writing some article.
Ooh, great.
Yes, that's great. Why did you take this course?
Because I want to improve my English and I want to speak English fluently.
Okay.
Hmm. And the last question is, what is your goal by the end of this class?
By the end of this class, I hope I can more confident if we talk with speaking English
Oh,
also.
ooh, really nice conversation. Thank you so much, Sis Video and Sis Unique. You are so great. Lovely conversation. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be enough for practice this time. Okay. And I have another, guys. I have another. Look at this. Ini sampai jam 11, teman-teman. Oke, oh iya, Bro Vicky lupa kasih tahu. Teman-teman nanti jangan kaget ya, semisal jam 11 Bro Vicky kita belum selesai. It's okay. Nanti Bro Vicky kasih untuk teman-teman yang sudah ketemu Bro Vicky kelas sebelumnya pasti udah tahu ya. Yang baru nanti pasti kayak bingung gitu. Oke. Jadi guys, Bro Vicky sering banget menambahkan atau kasih tambahan waktu untuk member Bro Vicky untuk praktis. Jadi biasa kita selesai jam 11 lebih 15 atau mungkin dulu kita pernah sampai kelas 1,5 jam ya guys ya. Yang penting teman-teman bakal praktis terus. Oke, is the point teman-temannya. Kalau semisal teman-teman jam 11 ada kegiatan, misal mau jemput anak atau ada kegiatan lain nggak apa-apa teman-teman. It's alright. Oke. So maybe every day. Yang penting teman-teman bakal dapat waktu lebih untuk praktis gitu guys ya. Oke. Jika ada sisa teman-teman ya. Oke. Lanjut guys, here we go. Look at this. We have learned it. Kalau ini teman-teman sudah terbiasa ya, maybe ini tambahan aja teman-teman. Kalau mau greeting menyapa boleh pakai hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Is that right? Oke, ingat selamat sore atau siang itu sama pakai good afternoon. Menanyakan kabar itu nggak hanya how are you today, pakai what's up yang keren nih. What's up bro? What's up sis Punky? What's up sis Bibil? What's up Bruno? It's really great. Itu teman-teman ya. How's life going? How is your day going? How have you been? Konteksnya sama. gimana kabarmu? Artinya menanyakan kabar. Teman-teman pakai ini salah satu aja ya. Oke. You can just choose it. Sebenarnya masih banyak cara lain ya. Ini yang kita pelajari. Oke, yang sering dipakai. Cara merespon ditanya, what's up? How is life going? How is your day going? How have you been? Juga sama, boleh. Biasanya kita selalu bilang, I'm great, I'm fine, I'm great. Atau pakai yang lain. I'm fine and rejoice. Not bad, not much, never been better. Artinya ya, saya baik-baik saja gitu guys ya. Oke, got it everyone ya. Cara bilang teman-teman mau ini nih, menutup atau berpisah nih. Caranya ya, goodbye, see you soon, nice to meet you, nice seeing you. Ya sama ya, goodbye, see you soon, sampai ketemu nanti, atau ya see you soon. Nice to meet you, senang ketemu kamu, nice seeing you, suka banget, senang banget melihat kamu. Sama ya teman-teman, is it the same, okay? Sama yang kita pelajari yang sering kita pakai. Lanjut guys, I have a new one. Ini cara memperkenalkan diri, bukan pertanyaan. Not asking and answering the question. In the whole sentence, you can practice this. Hi partners, good afternoon. Kalau ini pagi, diganti good morning all. Gitu ya. Let me tell you about myself. Artinya, biarkan saya atau berikan saya waktu untuk memperkenalkan diri saya. Let me. Itu let me. Kalau mau lebih bagus pakai gini aja. Let me. Sama guys ya. Let me itu kalau disingkat let me. Guys ya. Let me tell you. Let me tell you about myself. It's okay. Ini let me pakai e ya. Sorry guys. Let me. It's okay. Let me. Okay. Let me juga nggak apa-apa. Let me tell you about myself. I am. Nah, nanti teman-teman diganti ya. Sesuai nama kalian masing-masing. I am. Nama lengkap nggak apa-apa. Panggilan nggak apa-apa. And then you can call me as simple as Ica. As simple as Ica. Berarti lebih baik I am nama full name. You can call me. Maksudnya bukan call. Call. Oh, call me as simple as Ica. Kamu bisa memanggilku sesimpel Ica. Itu aja guys. Sesimpel Ica. I work in one of English course in Paris as online tutor. I work in, disebutin teman-teman. Kerja di mana? Oke. Okay. Kalau enggak langsung aja berarti I work as, maybe I am a housewife gitu aja langsung. Kalau sebagai ibu rumah tangga. Gitu ya. If you ask about my age, bacanya age, gak age ya, age. Jika kamu tanya umurku, I'm around 20s. Saya sekitar 20-an. Still young, masih muda. I graduated, ingat bacanya graduated from. Nah, kalau graduated from, graduated at, itu lebih ke universitasnya. Gitu guys ya. Kalau graduated ini lebih ke tahunnya. I graduated from Gajah Mada University. Sebutin guys. Oke. Okay. Kapan nih guys? Tahun berapa? Oke. Okay. Ingat guys, cara bilang universitas itu bukan ini ya. Semisal nih, UGM. Bukan University Gajah Mada. Tapi university-nya itu di belakang. Gajah Mada University. Oke. Okay. Brawijaya University, Indonesia University, and the others. Okay, that's one. For spending my leisure time, usually I love to watch Korean drama. Ini guys, kalian boleh. Kalau I love to, ada to-nya diikuti verb one. I love to watch, nggak boleh I love to watching. Jadi pilihannya ada dua. Boleh pakai I love to, terus nanti diikuti verb one ya. I love to watch. Kalau I love aja gak ada to-nya, berarti langsung verb ing. So, I love to watch, I love watching. Itu pilihannya ada dua. I love to watch. I love watching. Serah teman-teman. I love to watch Korean drama on Telegram. And I'm taking this class because I saw many ads on Instagram and I'm interested to follow it. Itu alasannya kalian punya sendiri nggak apa-apa. Atau samain aja kayak gini. Saya mengambil kelas ini karena saya melihat banyak iklan di Instagram dan saya tertarik untuk mengikutinya. And the last my goal is to be able to speak English well. Thanks in advance. Terima kasih sebelumnya. Cara bilang terima kasih sebelumnya bukan thanks before ya. Thanks in advance. Terima kasih sebelumnya. Okay guys, come on. Anyone wants to practice? Raise your hand. You guys, teman-teman practice yuk. Okay, the whole sentence this time. Jangan malu untuk praktis yang belum-belum tadi. Silakan praktis. Yang lain dibaca, diulang-ulang latihan ya. Oke, meskipun nggak angkat tangan, tetap praktis guys. Okay, don't just be quiet. Alright, for the first time to practice, I would like to ask the new one. Maybe, what about this one first? Ini. Sis Ulfa Syadiah. Sis Ulfa. Yeah, Sis Ulfa. Come on, let's do it.
Hi partner, good morning all. Let me tell you about myself. I am Ica Dewi.
Diganti
You
namanya masing-masing. Yang Bro Vicky Tademira itu diganti sesuai kalian. Oke, Ulfa?
Yes.
Ya.
I am Ulfa Sadia. You can call me as simple as Ulfa. I am housewife.
Good.
If you ask about my age, I am around 41.
40s?
40s. I graduated from university in 2019.
Okay.
For spending my leisure time, I love to watch drama Korea on Telegram.
Okay.
And I'm talking this class because I show many ads on my Facebook and I am interested to follow it. And last, my goal is to be able to speak English well. Thanks in advance.
Oh, great. Thank you so much, sis. You are so good. Lovely.
Thank you, bro.
Most welcome. So what about the next one to practice? I would like to ask Sis Jenny. Let's go, Sis Jenny. Let's do it.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Yep.
Hey, partners. Good afternoon, all.
Good morning, Sis Jenny.
Okay. Diganti ya. Hey, partners. Good morning, all.
Okay.
Let me tell about myself. I'm Yeni Merida. You can call me as simple as Yeni. I work in my own store. If you ask about my age, I'm around 40, still young, I think.
Yes.
I graduated my master degree from University Muhammadiyah of Jakarta in 2000.
It is better Muhammadiyah University dikasih samping di belakang, sis.
Jadi Muhammadiyah is from graduated from Muhammadiyah University of Jakarta, right?
Good one.
In 2018.
Good.
For spending my leisure time, I usually I love watching TV or reading or maybe listening news online. And I'm taking this class because I saw many ads on TikTok and I'm interested to follow it. And the last, my goal is to be able to speak English well. Thanks in advance.
Oh, really great. That's lovely. Thank you so much. You were really good. Okay.
Okay.
The next one, guys, to practice. I would like to ask yang belum nih. Oh, sis Bibil. Come on, sis Bibil. Tadi belum kan? Come on, sis Bibil. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Hi, partners. Good morning, all. Let me tell you about myself. I am Salsabila. You can call me as simple as Bill Bill. I am a student in Samarinda. Yeah. Okay. If you ask about my age, I am 17 years old. For spending my leisure time, usually I watch movie and reading a book.
Good.
I am taking this class because recommendation from my sister, and I am interested to follow it.
Okay.
And the last, my goal is to be able to speak English well. Thanks in advance.
Oh, really great, Bibil. You are so nice. Okay. Great job. And what about sis Nuhi? Sis Nuhi. Let's do it, sis Nuhi. Come on. Let's practice this time. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Dibuka dulu. Nah.
Hi partners, good afternoon all. Let
Good
me tell you
morning.
about Hi
Yeah.
partners, good morning all. Let me tell you about myself. I'm Nurul Hidayah. You can call me as simple as Nuhi. I'm a fresh graduate from senior high school.
Okay.
If you ask about my age, I'm 19 years old. For spending my leisure time, usually I love to watch Korean drama on Base Station, and I'm taking the class because my sister recommend me to join. And the last, my goals to be able to speak English well. Thanks in advance.
Oh, really great. Thank you so much. You are really good. Great job, sis Nuhi. All right, the last one, guys. It should be sis Punky. It's your time, sis Punky. Let's do it. Sis Punky, could you turn on your camera as well? Really
Okay,
good, sis Punky.
I
Come
will
on.
read.
Yes, come on.
Okay. Hi, partners. Good afternoon, all.
Good morning, sis Punky. It's still
Good morning.
morning.
Oh, yes, good morning.
Okay.
Let me tell you about myself. I am Punky. You can call me as simple as Punky. I work in my house. If you ask me about my age, I am 77 years old. Still young.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. I love
Yes,
it.
I graduated from high school in Jakarta, Santa Ursula, in
Great.
1965.
Oh,
And
lovely.
for spending my leisure time, usually I love cooking
Good.
and watching television or watching the khotbah,
Oh, yeah, that's great.
Yes, and I'm taking this class because I saw many ads on Instagram and I am interested to follow it because I want to know English very well and I want to talk fluently. And the last, my goal is to be able to speak English well. Thank you. Thanks in advance.
Oh, really great, Sis Punky. That's lovely. Really great, everyone. You are so awesome, guys. Look at this, guys. 77 years old, guys. Really great. Okay, that's nice to know you, Sis Punky. That's lovely. Okay, guys. Yeah, I think that's gonna be enough for this time. We have done talking today. This one is gonna be enough, everyone. Yeah. Okay. Oh, sure. Oh iya ya, teman-teman yang waktu Indonesia Timur sudah sekarang jam 12 lebih. This afternoon, ya. Yeah, Sis Nurul. That's correct. Okay. Sebrofi, gimana kalau belum nikah? Kalau belum nikah, you can just say, what? Ya, tadi kan nggak ada guys ya. Kalau belum
Belum
nikah ya,
kuliah. belum kuliah itu,
Bro,
Bro Fi, bukan
beda
nikah.
batasan morning afternoon itu sampai jam berapa, Bro?
Sebenarnya gini, bentar ya Bro Vicky, pilih ya, ini belum kuliah ya, kok belum nikah guys. Ribet banget sih guys. Oke, biar teman-teman ini nggak ngantuk ya. Oke guys, belum kuliah. This is just say, you can just say that's one actually guys. Just say, I haven't learned in the university, boleh. Atau just say, I just graduated, atau teman-teman kan last terakhir pendidikan. Berarti kalau belum kuliah, berarti SMA-nya aja yang dibilang gitu.
Senior
Kan
high
terakhir
school.
senior high school. Oke, that's it. Iya sih, alright, great. Kalau untuk perbedaan sebenarnya guys, in normal, kalau di tempat kita kan ada pagi, siang, sore, malam gitu guys ya. Kalau di Inggris itu cuma ada dua aja guys. Yang pertama ada good morning, mau udah pagi ya. Oke, pagi sampai siang ya, sebelum zuhur, sudah 12 gitu. Kalau jam 12 lebih itu sudah masuknya afternoon teman-teman. Sampai sore hari jam 6, sebelum maghrib jam 6 gitu afternoon. Teman-teman boleh pakai afternoon. Afternoon itu selamat siang, selamat boleh untuk siang, boleh untuk sore. Nah, mulai habis maghrib atau setelah jam 6 sore itu udah dibilang evening. Oke, evening. Bukan night. Good night gak ada. Jam 10 malam, 11 itu teman-teman ingin menyapa, selamat
Evening.
malam bro, pakai evening. Gak boleh good night. Good night itu untuk perpisahan. Yang pertama, semisal nih,
Malam.
untuk ya selamat malam mau pisah nih, semisal nih,
Mau tidur.
ya mau tidur teman-teman, selamat tidur, good night gitu guys. Teman-teman ketemu jam 11 malam ya guys ya. Teman-teman ketemu jam 11 malam nih. Si Siti sama si Dian itu ketemu jam 11 malam. Menyapanya ya, good evening sis. Udah ngobrol ke sana sini guys ya. Oke, harga beras, harga ini itu udah. Nah, mau pulang nih ya. Oke.
Good night.
Ya udah, good night gitu guys, pisah. Oke, sebenarnya seperti itu. Secara umum seperti itu ya, sis Yani. Oke, sis Yani.
Oke, Bro.
Okay, great job. Oh, all right, guys. I think that's gonna be enough for this time. Ya guys ya, we have learned it today. Okay, mulai besok teman-teman kita 30 menit atau kelasnya itu ya dibagi. Nanti kita belajar teori dan sebagainya. And then habis itu kita bakal udah practice di breakout room kayak kelas sebelumnya ya guys ya. Practice on the breakout room. Satu room maksimal 5 orang guys. Mungkin Bro Vicky kasih 4 ya, 4 sampai 5. Itu teman-temannya practice sharing guys. Dan Bro Vicky bakal kasih topik untuk diskusi itu sebelum kelas dimulai. Jadi semisal jam 9 itu Bro Vicky sudah kasih topik diskusinya di grup kelas. Teman-teman bisa dibaca dulu kira-kira nanti jawabnya gimana dan sebagainya gitu guys ya. Supaya nanti ketika breakout room bisa lancar. Gitu teman-temannya. Oke, that's gonna be enough for this time. Bro Vicky mukanya not really. Oh my god. Okay. Okay guys, gonna be enough for that everyone ya. Okay. Iya guys ya, kok nikah ya? Okay. This is tadi kan Bro Vicky itu cuma ini guys, bercanda ya. Ya teman-teman fokus lagi ke Bro Vicky. Okay, this one that's nikah. This is gonna be kuliah. Okay. Okay guys, I think that's gonna be enough for this time. Mulai besok teman-teman siap ya, siapin kata-kata hari ini. Oke, mulai besok kita mainnya ya. Setiap hari ada kata-kata hari ini, Bro Vicky minta salah satu untuk kasih kata-kata hari ini. Mulai besok, guys. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be enough for this time. This is our topic for the first time. Make it fun to learn English, teman-teman ya. Make it English like your habit. Kalau di rumah ada teman untuk ngomong-ngomong bahasa Inggris, ajak aja ngomong bahasa Inggris. Jadi bahasa Inggris gak hanya praktik ketika kelas aja, di rumah juga waktu luang boleh praktis bahasa Inggris atau langsung ke Discord juga boleh teman-teman. Okay, so it's gonna be enough for this time guys. We will meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you so much everyone for practicing today. Thank you so much for your nice and great attention. If you don't have questions so far, it's gonna be enough. And let's close our class. And the last I say, speaking partner.
We are
The best partner.
Okay. What's password, guys?
Smile.
Bye bye everyone. everyone. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, bye-bye, guys. That's a great, Bobby. Okay, have a great day, guys. Catch you soon.